Today, Finn and I are going to give you some tips to safeguard your rights under Michigan's Lemon Law. First, you should make sure that the dealer gives you a written repair order every time you take your car in for service, even if the dealer says they did not do any work. You need to document every visit. If they refuse, take a photo of the service desk with your phone to prove you were there. Then, write down the name of each person you dealt with, everything that happened, and what was said while it is still fresh in your mind. Second, be sure to follow the manufacturer's maintenance recommendations and keep all your receipts. Third, if your vehicle has not been repaired after the third visit for the same problem, or you're still having problems after 25 days or parts of days in the shop, you need to write a last chance letter. This is a letter to the manufacturer describing the problem or problems that have not been fixed, and the letter must be sent by certified mail, return receipt requested, to the manufacturer. The proper address will be in your warranty booklet, and you can also find it online. Right, Finn? High five. There you go. Good boy.